Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Staying connected is non-negotiable these days, but carrying a mess of cables and different adapters is a real headache. Today, we are looking at the SHARGE Retractable 3-in-1 power bank. This device aims to be the ultimate all-in-one charging solution for work, travel, and your daily life. Let's get it out of the box and see if it lives up to the hype. The first thing that grabs your attention is SHARGE's signature aesthetic. The transparent casing gives us a clear view of the high-quality circuitry and the advanced GaN components inside. It feels incredibly solid in the hand and looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It is not just a power bank. It is a statement piece for any tech enthusiast. Under the hood, we have a 10,000 milliamp hour high-capacity battery. In real-world terms, that is enough juice to charge an iPhone 17 more than 2 times. Or a Samsung Galaxy about 1.5 times. Because it is under 100 watt-hours, it is fully airline approved, making it a perfect travel companion that fits easily into a pocket or a small tech pouch. The standout feature here is the integrated retractable USB-C cable. It extends up to 2.3 feet, giving you plenty of slack to use your phone while it is charging. When you are done, a simple tug retracts it neatly back into the housing. This completely eliminates cable chaos in your bag. You no longer have to hunt for a loose wire. It is always right there when you need it. Performance-wise, this device is powered by gallium nitride technology. This allows it to be smaller, more efficient, and run much cooler than traditional silicon chargers. It delivers up to 30 watts of power delivery fast charging. That is enough speed to fast charge your smartphone, power up a tablet, or even provide a steady charge to a MacBook Pro. What makes this a true 3-in-1 is the foldable wall plug. You can use it as a standard portable battery on the go, or flip out the prongs and plug it directly into a wall outlet. In this mode, it acts as a high-speed wall charger that powers your devices while simultaneously recharging its own internal battery. It is the only charging brick you really need to carry. Monitoring your power is easy thanks to the precise dot matrix display. It gives you an accurate battery percentage down to 1%, so there is no more guessing. It even shows real-time input and output status. For those who charge overnight, the intelligent power management system protects your devices from overcharging and overheating, ensuring your battery health stays protected in the long run. Overall, the SHARGE Retractable 3-in-1 is a masterclass in functional design. It replaces your power bank, your wall adapter, and your charging cable with one sleek, transparent unit. It is compact, powerful, and incredibly convenient for anyone tired of carrying multiple chargers. If you are looking to simplify your tech setup, this is definitely worth a look. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.